Okay guys, today I will be showing you how to take the center console out of a 2008 or 2012 Honda Accord sedan. I'm not quite sure if it looks the same for a coupe, but the sedan is what we'll be working on today. And essentially what you're going to need is a clip puller and a Phillips screwdriver. And essentially on each side here, there's 3 clips and 3 clips. And then you lift up the armrest and there's 2 clips right here. And then for the Phillips screwdriver, this part right here, there's 2 screws up here and 2 screws on the bottom. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first step is you're going to take your clip puller or regular screwdriver and you're going to wedge it in between the 2 plastics. It can be a little bit tight. And then you're going to push down and you're going to hear a few clicks. And that should get it started to the point where you can then just lift it up with your hand. And then what you're going to do is just kind of gradually pull them each up individually. Okay, so we're at that point now, and what you have to remember with this is you're then going to have to put the ignition on a little bit and switch it into a lower gear. Put the e-brake on, shut that off, and the key won't turn off the whole way when it's in a different gear. And then we're simply just going to want to pull up on the sides. And that is about as loose as we're going to get. And then you're just going to lift it right up on over. And there you have it. There are the clips, as I promised. And they hook in right there. This is what it looks like down in for any of you that are curious. And then there are Phillips screws, and I will get those out here in a second. Just one quick thing I forgot to add for you guys was disconnecting the cigarette lighter. I forgot to plug it back in when I first took the center console piece out. And essentially you just have 2 little tabs and then a pigtail right here. And you just want to press on that tab and it'll come off fairly easily. Okay, I decided to keep this part in just because I keep cards and things in there. And so essentially you just have 2 screws right there. And then up in, you have some screws right there and right there. One, of course, went missing from my stupidity. But anyways, let's put the car back into park. And essentially that's all there is to it. It's not a very hard project, and I am going to put mine back in. So just wanted to make a quick video on this. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'd appreciate if you'd look at the rest of my channel. I just have some quick videos on tips and tricks, and I will have some more videos coming soon. So stay tuned, and thanks again for watching.